Chinese automaker BYD has teamed up with drone manufacturer DJI to introduce an innovative vehicle-integrated drone system. This technology aims to transform automobiles into mobile platforms for entertainment and exploration, offering a fresh perspective on travel. Known as Lingyuan, the system seamlessly integrates a drone with the vehicle, providing a vertical aerial view to capture real-time moments. The company confirmed that this feature will be available across all BYD models, unveiling the new technology at a launch event in Shenzhen, one of China's major technology hubs. A key feature of Lingyuan is its retractable landing pad, which allows the drone to autonomously take off and land from the vehicle. The system also includes synchronized tracking for follow shooting, fast storage, and automatic charging. Yang Dongsheng, Senior Vice President at BYD, highlighted that this innovation eliminates the traditional challenges of carrying and deploying drones. BYD's chairman and president, Wang Chuanfu, emphasized that this project is not just about placing a drone in a car. Instead, the companies have developed an integrated solution where automotive and drone technology complement each other to enhance user experience. DJI's president, Luo Zhenhua, reinforced this vision by stating that advanced technology should not be exclusive to a select few. Instead, it should be accessible and practical for the broader public. He described this partnership as a major breakthrough in redefining the mobility ecosystem. Since its founding in 1995, BYD has played a leading role in China's transition to new energy vehicles. The company reported over 4,270,000 units in new energy vehicle sales in 2024, marking a 41% growth compared to the previous year. Meanwhile, DJI continues to lead the global drone market, providing solutions across industries such as filmmaking, agriculture, search and rescue, and infrastructure management.